Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to show you how you can add your VPS in VS Code. So in production we use VPS to live our project, and in traditional way we access it through the terminal, but I will show you a very smart approach. Using you can directly use the VS Code in your VPS projects. So first I'm going to show you the traditional way how you can access your VPS using the terminal and the PAM keys that provided by your host provider. So let's follow the traditional approach, that how I can log in the VPS. As you can see, this is my PAM file, and I will use my command to connect with the VPS. So first I have to follow use the command. Okay, so this is the SHS command, and I will use this command to connect with my VPS. So this is the SHS command, begin with the SHS, and then this tag was the identity of this key. ID RSO is the key, and this is my VPS username. Then this is the IP. So let's log in. Okay, as it is asking my password, and I am paste my password here. Okay, I already connected. As you can see, my username. So as I list the directories, as we can see, I have several directories, and then these are my project directory. And sorry, let's change the directory. Okay, I'm in my project directory. So if I want to use the files here, sorry. Okay, you can see all my files are here. So there is a .docker directory, docker compose, then the git, and also the source is the main project directory. So it's a docker project, and I containerized my Laravel project here. So if I move to the source, sorry, and then list all the files. As you can see, this is my Laravel project, and I dockerize the container. Okay, so if I have to edit this file or view some files, I have to, let's check the void config.js. I need to press the command nano void config then js. Sorry, wrong command. It will be nano. So as you can see, I'm seeing all this content of this file, but someone may be new, he's not used to these things, sometimes may find it difficult to understand. So whether not you use this smart approach using our VPS to the uh, VS Code, and easily you can edit, update the file like you do your local project. So let's see how we can do this. Okay, so I'm quitting the terminal, and let's disconnect from it. And for the for adding the VPS, let's open the Visual Studio Code. Okay. First of all, you need to go to the plugin section of your VS Code editor. So I click this one. The plugin will be listed soon. Let's type remote SSH. Okay. So there is the several search result, but we'll follow this one, which is built by Microsoft, and we'll install this one. Let's wait for completing the installation. It will take a few minutes. So we'll use this the same file and the same command uh, using this extension or plugin. So when it is done, you can see a remote explorer icon there. So if you have to click this one, okay. So as you can see, I have already connected a VPS. So for doing to add another VPS, you have to just click on this SHS directory, and it has a plus sign. You have to add this one, and you have to type a command like I'm using this command to connect my VPS. So I'm giving this command. Okay, I'm giving this command. You have to press enter, and where you would like to save this command. Currently I have this directory. All my SHS commands will be saved in this directory that I have pasted here. So I will use this file. Okay. So this has been added. Okay. If I now if I look the config and open this, you can see I have two configuration file. Let's remove this one because this is I added previously, so it's better to explain with this. Okay, let's move this one first. Okay, so this is my IP. As you can see, my command consists this IP address. You can find this IP in your hosting provider. You will give you this IP, or the hosting dashboard. You can find the username and the IP. So it's added automatically. I have nothing to do. Just I have done this command like I showed you. I have to press this command, then press enter, then I have to select where I have to save this. Okay, so if I how I can check this config file again, and I will add this this wheel, then I will select this one. I can see my config. Okay, so it's added twice. I remove this one. Now you can know this is the alias name. You can put any name here. I'm giving a name. Then this is my host name, and this is the user. So what is the identify file? So it is the IDRSA, which means this is this PEM file. Okay, So there I need to give the pem file path, so I will add this path, go to the directory, then I will open the terminal, then I will pwd command, use this, then I will get this path and I will copy this path and I will add the path here. Okay, pretty straightforward and simple. And I will save this one. Okay, I will saving this, so you will see uh, this will be listed here. Okay, so if you don't find this one, you have to must restart your VS code, and you will be soon you will see the added VPS here. What I need to do, I need to uh, connect this one, but I give this another name. Let's see if the name is shown here or not. So let's register the VPS. Okay, register the VPS again. Okay, this is my local directory project. Sorry, this is this one is the okay local directory project. So I'm closing all this one, and I will be press again the remote explorer. So I have added the my VPS config here. It will show. So as you can see, Southern VPS is showing, right? So I'm gonna connect to this one, connecting current window. Okay, it's will ask for the connection to set up, and it's asking me for the password I used. So I will copy my password here. So I copied my password and I will paste it here, and I'll press the enter. So maybe connection is already established, and okay, I can okay, setting up dev container, my remote server or VPS, and let's explore this file, that check if the directories are same. I already showed you in that traditional terminal approach. You can see all the file has been listed here. Okay, so I press the OK. Okay, it's again asking for the password, so I'm pasting it again. Yes, I trust that author, and you can see all my directories has been listed here, the Docker, the SSHs, the VS Code. This is my project directory, which is a AI chatbot WhatsApp agent. So you can see the .docker directory, then the source directory I showed you, and these all things are showed from the VPS. So if I want to edit the file, I can easily click on this and work like the real editor and the save one. So this is how you can connect your VPS with your the VS code editor. So if you find this video really useful, please uh, subscribe my channel and put a like on this video. Your appreciation is really important to make useful videos for me. Thank you very much. Have a great day.